Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Faculty Development Tip of the Week. Today, we are going to look at how you can save time while grading in Canvas by using SpeedGrader keyboard shortcuts. To get started, navigate to an assignment in your Canvas course and open SpeedGrader. The fastest way to see all available shortcuts is to click the gear icon in the top right corner of SpeedGrader. From there, you will see a full list of commands at your fingertips. Press the J key on your keyboard to go to the next student submission. Press the K key on your keyboard to go back to the previous student submission. Press the C key on your keyboard to move the cursor directly to the comment box. Press the G key on your keyboard to open the grade entry field for the current student. Press the R key on your keyboard to open the rubric for grading. With just a little practice, these shortcuts can save you a lot of time when moving through a large stack of assignments. Give them a try the next time you are using SpeedGrader. Thanks for watching, and remember to reach out to the Faculty Development Office if you have any questions.